Unbelievable but true. This animal lays eggs and also produces milk. It has a duck-like bill, a beaver-like tail, and otter-like feet. And the most surprising part? The male of this species has a venomous weapon on its hind legs that can cause excruciating pain in humans. It sounds like a fictional creature made by combining parts of different animals, but no, it is completely real. And the name of this mysterious animal is the platypus. Living in the rivers and wetlands of Australia, the platypus is considered one of the strangest mammals on Earth. When the first specimen of this animal arrived in Europe in 1799, many scientists believed it was a hoax. They thought someone had stitched a duck's bill onto the body of another animal to create this bizarre creature, because having so many different features in a single animal seemed truly unbelievable. But later research proved that the platypus is one of nature's most extraordinary creations. We know that mammals typically give birth to live young, but the platypus breaks that rule. Even though it is a mammal, it lays eggs. Only a few mammals in the world lay eggs, and the platypus is one of them. A mother platypus digs a long burrow underground and lays her eggs. After about 10 days, the eggs hatch and tiny babies emerge. But that's not the end of the story. After they hatch, the mother feeds them milk. However, there is another surprising detail. The platypus has no nipples. Milk is released directly through specialized areas of the skin, and the babies lick the milk from the surface. One of the platypus's most incredible abilities is electroreception, the ability to detect electricity. When it searches for prey underwater, it completely closes its eyes, ears, and nostrils. In other words, it effectively becomes blind and deaf. So how does it find food? Inside its bill are thousands of specialized sensors that can detect tiny electrical signals produced by the muscle contractions of other animals. Every time a worm, shrimp, or small creature moves, it generates extremely faint electrical impulses. The platypus senses those signals and can pinpoint the exact location of its prey. It is a remarkable ability found in very few animals on Earth. Now let's talk about the platypus's most frightening feature. Male platypuses have a sharp spur on their hind legs. This spur is connected to a venom gland. During breeding season, the venom becomes especially powerful. If a male encounters a rival, it can use this venomous spur as a weapon. Humans are not usually killed by the venom, but people who have been stung report that the pain is so intense that even powerful painkillers may not fully relieve it.
A venomous weapon like this is extremely rare among mammals. The platypus's genetics have also amazed scientists. Its body contains genes associated with characteristics found in reptiles, birds, and mammals. In other words, it seems to be a living crossroads in the story of evolution. That is one reason why scientists consider the platypus one of the most important animals for understanding evolutionary history. Now for the most astonishing fact. Recent research has shown that under ultraviolet or UV light, the platypus glows with the blue-green color. This phenomenon is known as biofluorescence. It cannot be seen in normal daylight, but under special UV light, the platypus appears to transform into a mysterious glowing creature. Scientists are still not completely certain why this happened. One animal that lays eggs yet feeds its young with milk, that can find prey with its eyes closed, that carries a venomous weapon, that holds millions of years of evolutionary history within its genes, and that can even glow in the dark. Altogether, the platypus is not just an animal, it is a living mystery of nature. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and let us know in the comments which ability of the platypus surprised you the most. In the next video, we'll discover the unbelievable story of another mysterious creature.